So out for a ride today. My shoulder's acting up a little bit, so I decided to bring out my dog Juno here. Come on. Come on, Juno. She sniffs things and then comes back. But just gonna go on a nice easy green trail. It's her first time out, so gonna take it easy. Oh, there she is already. All right, well, let's go to the top. Go, go, go. Go fast. Oh, gotta go fast, Juno. Run, run, run. Here, Juno, let me go in front. Juno, you follow me. You follow me. Good girl. Oh, it got dark. Good girl, Juno. Juno's right behind me. Awesome. Hey, hey, Juno. Hey, you're doing awesome. Oh, they finally built a bridge. Hold your paws, Juno. Oh, this is awesome. I've been waiting like a year to bring Juno out here. Got to train her a little bit on the road with following a bike. Made sure she could keep up and stuff. But this is her first time off-road with a bike. She's doing awesome. Ooh, that did not feel good on the shoulder. Almost at the bottom, Juno.
Brought Juno out a second time that week, and she definitely learned to
Watch
pick
out,
up
Juno.
the pace.
No, Juno, you're gonna be behind me. I guess she's gonna be in front of me today. So this is our second ride. Keep going, keep going. Go, 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 go. Keep going, keep going. Let's go. She likes leading. Keep going, Juno. You got this. You're doing awesome. Keep going. What, you tired?
Sorry for the grainy footage. We decided to bring her out a little bit later since it was so hot during the day. The only time that she could really do it was at night.
She's got some speed. Oh, I got no, Juno, this way, this way. Stop at the road. Oh, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. Oh, stop there, stop there. Hey, that was awesome.